Let's draw a rectangle in the middle of the paper. For this line, this is going to be the middle point, and from here to here, this is going to be the middle point. So I will start from here. I will curve, and then again I'm going to curve over here, and again I'm going to curve over here, and here I will do a little bit down, so very tiny triangle I can see, and I will pull this one all the way under this one. So this is the point. From the point I will tilt this one, and I will go and connect with this. A little bit above from this line I will draw ellipse shape, and on the top of the ellipse shape I will draw a straight line. Not all the way here, just a small one over here, and from here I will pull this one up, make it curvy, and go all the way here. Draw another line over here. So this was our middle point, and I will do one eye. I will start from here, so I will move this eye a little bit this side, just above this one. I will draw two curvy lines over here like alphabet V, and one side face here.